Here's a designer tip: how to prepare for demo day. This is the most fun day of the whole entire project, right? What you can do to make things much easier for our demolition guys is a couple simple things. First of all, you want to clear out all of your cabinets. Take anything that you need and put it in a designated area away from your kitchen so we can get full access to everything in there. These cabinets are coming off the wall and they're coming down pretty quick. Our guys are super efficient, know exactly what they're doing, and it's a well-oiled machine. The best thing that you can do is remove everything that you have in your kitchen space, anything that you need, take it to where you're going to be able to use it so our guys can come in there and do their thing. And the most important thing, respectfully, is just stay out of their way. We have a process that we follow that allows for us to get in and out efficiently. We will put the export paper down for anything that may be going out. We tarp off the other areas of the room so that it's a controlled area, and our guys just go in there and do their thing, and we'll have you cleared out quicker than you could even imagine. If you have any other questions, get in touch with us in the comments below.